Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to hide apps on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Now let's start. So I will be showing you a few ways and methods here on how to hide your application on your Android phone. You can just basically go to that specific application here on your device and just disable the application here by tapping on this disable option. Also, another way to hide your application is by going to settings again, and specifically, you have to go or look for home screen and a lock screen magazine. Some Android device, they have this option hidden application, but unfortunately, I don't have that. So in case you have that feature here on your home screen, just tap on hidden apps and then hide that specific application that you want to hide. But if you don't have that feature, it's okay. The very best thing to do here is you have to go to your Google Play Store. And then what you're going to do is search for any application that can help you hide a specific application here on your Android phone. And one of these applications is Microsoft Launcher. What you're going to do is you have to install this application. Wait for a couple of minutes, depends on your internet connection. Once done, then open Microsoft Launcher here. Tap on Get Started. Then click Let's Go. Wait for a couple of seconds again. And this is what it looks like. Now, one of the features of Microsoft Launcher is that if you open this one, you should see the home screen feature too. And what you're going to do here is you have to locate the hidden application tool or feature. So as you can see, if I scroll down here and go to home screen, I can now see hidden apps feature, tap on hide apps, and select that specific application that you want to hide. So once you're done selecting these applications that you want to hide, what you're going to do next is tap on done. So basically that's it. First, you must disable. Second, you have to go to your home screen and look for hidden apps. And third, just use other application or third-party application to hide applications here on your Android phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.